guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Sabrina and I would love it so much if you would subscribe. Today we're going to be talking about HelloFresh, and no, this is not sponsored. I wanted to do this video to kind of show you guys about these meal services. I've done one like a similar before called Every Plate, and I reviewed that on my Instagram, and I thought it would be cool to kind of do a video like this for HelloFresh to let you guys know what it's like to cook these when you have zero culinary knowledge. I think that's the right word. So if that's something that you guys are interested in, then go ahead and keep watching. So again, I want to mention that this is not sponsored. HelloFresh does not know that I exist. I was given a code through my brother-in-law and I was able to get a really good deal on these, so that's why I'm trying it. We're actually using our second week right now, and so far I really like it, but we'll get into that throughout the video. What I like about these is they're convenient. Because I'm the one doing the majority of the cooking, I tend to stay in a rut of cooking the same things over and over again, so that's one of the reasons why I wanted to try this. I also wanted to try this because I chose the calorie portion option because I'm trying to watch what I eat, and this has really good options, and the calories I would say are pretty good. Like the burgers that we got this week were 1,000 calories for dinner, which is quite a lot, I would say, for one meal, but I was able to manage it throughout. But they have all different kinds of like box options that you can choose from depending on your diet. Just because I was watching my calories, I chose that one. So honestly, I'm really happy with the meal choices that we have gotten. This is our second week of trying it, and I do really like it so far. Look what just came in the mail. I'm super excited to get into it, you guys. So this is what it looks like whenever you open it. It has these special codes that I'll open up in just a second, and then it has the recipes that we got. I can't grab them all. There's something else. Oh, here's more things. I'm not sure what that is, to be honest with you, but yeah, these are the meals that we got. So this is what we're going to be trying this week. We have these meatloaves, we have spaghetti, and then we have pork burgers. And then this is what the box, it looks like, comes in. So let's open it up and see what's in. Apparently everything comes in these little bags, which I had seen that from other people. This is going to be really loud for me to get out. Hang on. Okay, so then under the bag it has the frozen stuff that needs to be cold, not frozen, sorry. So the meat and stuff like that's not in these bags. So the first meal that we tried was the sun-dried tomato spaghetti, and as you guys will see throughout this video, what I really like about HelloFresh is it is customizable. So this option for the sun-dried tomato spaghetti had almonds in it, but Jacob and I didn't want those, so we just skipped out on those completely. I just skipped when it told me to cook those or whatever, and I just didn't put them on there. And I did that with other meals as well. It gives you a lot of flexibility to kind of just go with the flow and do what you guys like if you're a picky eater, which I am, so that was great for me. I would say this one was pretty easy to do. Cooking spaghetti is a really easy thing to do, and I would also say that this one was probably my favorite out of the first three meals that we tried. I thought this one was really good, really flavorful, and I really enjoyed having it. This one had 630 calories, and it says it was a 10-minute prep time and a 20-minute cook time. I noticed that it took a lot longer for that, but again, I was filming it, and I don't really know what I'm doing, so it did take probably a little bit longer because of that. But I would say this one was pretty easy to do, and this one was definitely my favorite taste-wise. The next one that we tried was called the barbecue cheddar pork burgers, and I really like this one as well. I'm not a huge burger person, so this one wasn't my absolute favorite because I'm not really a burger person. And I will say that a lot of these meal prepping things give you potatoes as a side for some reason. I'm not sure if that's just because it's an easy thing to throw in, but all of the things seem like they have potatoes as a side, either mash or something like that. Let me know if you feel that way as well. This one was the most calorie heavy meal at 1,100, I can't think, 1,100 or 1,100 calories, and this took 10 minutes to prep and 35 minutes to cook. Again, that's not accurate for me because it took so long. I think I did do some talking portions of me filming this one, so I'm gonna go ahead and insert those now for you guys. Okay, you guys, so tonight we're trying the barbecue cheddar pork burgers, and I'm super excited to give this a go. The first recipe was really easy to do, so hopefully this won't be as well. It says the prep time is 10 minutes and the cook time is 35, so let's get into it. So in this little bag, it had the buns, potatoes, onions, had the sauces, the cheddar, mayonnaise, some seasoning, and then the ground pork came separately. So this is what we're gonna use to make it, and then of course has all the instructions and stuff like that on the back here. I think we kept true to all the ingredients in this one. The only thing that I didn't do, and I don't know if the recipe told me to do it or not, is I would have enjoyed cooking the bun a little bit more. I didn't cook the bun at all, and I wish I would have done that in hindsight. It may have said to do that and I just didn't see it, but I definitely suggest cooking the buns because the buns were not very good not cooked, if that makes any sense. And the last thing we tried this week was Italian meatloaves, and Jacob said he was the most curious for how they were going to do this, and he was kind of nervous for me to cook it. I don't know why. I did end up messing this one up, I'll be honest with you guys, but I'll talk about that in a second. This one said it took 10 minutes to prep and 40 minutes total. I know that's not correct. I timed it. I can throw in the clips of that. I know that that's not correct. So today we're doing Italian meatloaf with green beans and mashed potatoes, and they want me to mash these potatoes. So this may be an interesting, it looks like it's pretty easy, but I can't cook. That's the whole premise of this video. So let's see how long this one takes. It says prep 10 minutes, cook 40 minutes. Yesterday was supposed to be like a short prep time too, but it did not work for me. So let's see how long this takes me. I'm starting this at 5:55. This one had 640 calories and it said it was a medium difficulty. I don't really feel like it was that hard. I was a little upset about them making me mash my own potatoes, which is where I screwed up, honestly. I put too much milk in, it told me to measure, and I didn't. I just dumped the rest of the milk in there, and so it was really like runny. So Jacob had to fix that, but that was just because I didn't measure like a dummy. And I'll be honest with you guys, I was really nervous about the green beans because this isn't how I normally cook my green beans, and Jacob said the same thing. This isn't normally how we would prepare our green beans, but I love them. Another one of the things that we got this week has green beans in it, and I'm super excited to cook them the same way that we cook them in this meal. I'm pretty sure that the new meal doesn't have it like that. It wants me to put lemon on it. I'm not gonna do that, screw that. But I did really like the green beans, and that surprised me. Again, this has a potato option as a side. It is a mashed potato, but again, a potato, I'm not sure why they always put potatoes on there, but they do. A little weird for me, but I do like potatoes. They're great. I just wish there was a little bit more variety. So that was me trying HelloFresh for a week. If you guys like this video, let me know in the comments below. I will continue to try HelloFresh, maybe not for the long haul, but at least for a couple more weeks because I do really like it. If you guys are curious for trying out HelloFresh, please let me know. I have some invite codes, and I'm not really sure what it gives you off, but I know that when my brother sent me his invite code, I got my first box for free, which was really nice. I only paid shipping so for these first 3 meals, it was only $9, which was really incredible. I'm not sure if that's the same code that I can give to you guys, but if you want it, please let me know and I will get in touch with you guys. Thank you again so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!